Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Homemade Chef, where we'll be making different recipes. Today we'll be making golden corn, which is a very popular starter in many restaurants, and I'm sure most of us like it also. So if you are wondering how it will come so crispy and it will still retain the color, then I'll show you the right recipe for it. You are at the right place. Come, let us see what are the ingredients required. So first of all, we need corn. What I have taken is 1 cob of corn, which I have removed the seeds and kept it here. Then I have mixed 3 flours here. 2 tablespoons of corn flour, 1 tablespoon of rice flour and 1 tablespoon of maida I have mixed here. You can even just use corn flour if you want. And I have pepper here, which is crushed or powder you can use. And of course salt and oil we need. Now let us take a pan. In this pan add all the corn which is washed. Let us boil it first. Let us boil it a little for just 3 to 4 minutes max. Pour water and little amount of salt also. Now let us close the lid and cook it for 3 to 4 minutes max. Now this is done. Let us turn off the stove and then filter it out. Just ensure that most of the water content is removed from the corn. Now I have taken the boiled corn in a bowl and I am adding this mixed flour. Add it little by little. First I am adding just 2 spoons. And then the pepper powder according to your taste. You can even use green chili paste also if you want, or just green chilies. Any spice of your choice. And salt, again a little I am adding. Just give it a mix. And see, this is almost coated well on each corn. I will just add a little more to ensure that the coating is present on all of our. Little more I added. This is mainly so that all the water content is squeezed from the corn and it becomes crispy also. Just keep this aside for 5 to 10 minutes. 5 minutes minimum. Now let's take a pan. Heat some oil in it. When it is medium hot, let us add the corn. Now it is medium hot. I will start adding the corn in a spoon. The corn will splutter, so just be very careful while frying it. If you have a lid, better close the lid and keep it for a minute until the spluttering stops. Like this. So now the spluttering has reduced and it has settled down. At this time, this is ready and you can take it out. Now we can add some garnish like coriander leaves, and also can add a little amount of pepper or salt if required, and just give it a good mix. And now our corn is ready to eat. This is exactly like the ones we get in the restaurant. I can assure you that. For more content like this, please like and follow my Facebook page. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel also. Thank you for watching.